This is the tallest building here in Taiwan, the Taipei 101, and today we're going to go check it out. Let's go! Today we are exploring 4 floors at the top of Taipei 101. We'll be checking out the main observation deck, the outdoor platform, getting a close-up look at this impressive mass damper, and then making a visit to the secret garden on the 101st floor. From the outside, the design of Taipei 101 is meant to resemble a giant bamboo stalk and the form of a traditional Chinese pagoda. Right, we're here at Taipei 101!
We're gonna head in and check out the place.
In order to go to the observatory at Taipei 101, you have to go through this mall first, and this is actually like a very luxurious mall. All the luxury brands are here, and you got to make your way up to the 5th floor in order to go up to the observatory.
I got our tickets.
Yeah, we booked them online through Klook, and we booked the experience including the 101 floor.
With the online reservation, you can skip the queue of buying tickets.
We have a normal ticket for the 89 and 88 floor. And this is for the 101 floor, which has a time slot of 1 hour from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. And also we got a discount voucher for the cafe upstairs and a postcard, because apparently there's a mailbox up there. So first we're going to go to the 88th floor. The Taipei 101 elevators is one of the fastest in the world. It reaches a top speed of 60 km per hour and can take us to the 89th floor in just 37 seconds. Wow, that high-speed elevator is really no joke. It's really quick.
Yeah, I didn't even notice that we're already at level 89. I don't even feel a thing.
It felt like we just got into the elevator and we just teleported here. Otherwise, there's like Star Wars figurines right in front of the elevator. Look at the views, guys!
I'm not sure if it's the music or something, but it's very calming and relaxing here. Take in as much scenery as you like, very relaxing pace, and from here you can see the whole city of Taipei. It is an incredible view and I love how beautiful it looks, the skyline, and it's so relaxing. Jufen Old Street, we're heading there tomorrow. Check out the shippies! There's this decorated cute shippy section. So adorable. On the 89th floor, there are lots of gift shops and cafes, and I think we are pretty thirsty. Let's go find something to drink. Yeah. There's the Taipei 101 popsicle. It's kind of cute. Looks interesting. You want an ice cream?
Yeah, sure.
Got myself the matcha ice cream. Oh, so good.
Got mango smoothie. And finally a nice ice cold drink. Look, they have these like little icons here to tell you what you're going to be looking at. So there's an icon of an airplane, and if you look through it, it's the local airport. Keelung River. There are also lots of these like green areas where you can just sit down, like almost like a picnic. Just sit on the floor, on the ground, and enjoy the view. There's also one more place that has kind of like a camping kind of experience. I want to go check out the mass damper here next to the bear. It's moving. It's alive.
That's so cool. It's like a huge Ferrero Rocher chocolate ball. Is that all I think of?
Yep, that's what we think of.
Can you imagine just this device could stabilize the whole building during an earthquake or strong wind? That is really cool.
This is really massive and it's a real engineering marvel. And they do have videos online to see when the ball moves during an earthquake. I can put a link in the description below. You guys can go check it out.
It's cute postcard.
If you want to post the cards, they do sell the posting stamps at the gift shop. We got the rubber stamps instead. Looks really, really nice.
Cute, I love it. I'm gonna keep this.
It's time to go up to the 101st floor. Right, so the entrance to go up to the 101st floor is in the gift shop. This gift shop.
Just the two of us.
Let's go.
Oh, there's another. You're greeted by a carriage. Oh, isn't it so pretty?
Only one passenger.
Of course, the princess.
Access to the 101st floor requires a special ticket, and it kind of feels like a big photo booth area.
I love how it's decorated. More for the ladies. Sorry, but
Definitely, yes.
these are the photographers, the videographers.
It's decked out to look like a garden, and it's very quiet here. Not many people. Stay rooted but aim high.
Aim high.
So we just did a full circle at the 101st floor. It's not very big, but it's a place where you can just relax and chill.
It's rather private and quiet.
One tip though, you can actually bring your drinks up there to enjoy.
We gotta bring our drinks up too.
Yeah, we finished it before we went up. If you bought a regular ticket and decided last minute that you want to go up to the 101st floor, they do have a booth selling additional tickets right at the 89th floor if you want to.
So you can walk up from 89th floor all the way up to 91st to go to a platform. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Let's go. Oh, it's so strong. We're on the 91st floor, walking up 2 floors up. It's not too bad. Let's check out the view.
I just look all the way up to the tip of Taipei 101. It's all open air, so when the weather's good, you get to come out here. It's not a very big area, it's just like it's around here actually. Kind of like a little balcony space where you just step out, enjoy a little bit of breeze and the view of the tip, I guess. But there's a much better view downstairs at the observatory.
Yeah.
Alright, this is inside the Wow 101 area, and Wow 101 is actually a special access that brings you up to the rooftop, and there's like all these harness and all that. It'll be outdoor. It's a totally different experience, and you can get the tickets here directly either from the website or from the counter downstairs. So right before you exit at the 88th floor, you can have one more look at the mass damper from a lower angle. It looks really majestic. Alright, we just came down from the observatory in Taipei 101.
The day view is really beautiful, but also it's very popular for its sunset. There's a long queue going up now around 2-3 p.m.
Definitely after lunch there's a lot of crowd.
Yeah.
Way more than when we came in earlier at 11.
Yeah, it's really popular for a sunset view also, but we have a better plan. We're gonna hike up the Elephant Mountain in a few days' time.
Yeah.
It's gonna be exciting.
The other thing that looks really exciting is the fireworks. I think that can be like a itinerary on its own, like enjoy New Year's Eve
so
in Taipei.
It's gonna be so majestic.
Yeah. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe to follow us on our travel and food videos. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!